Hey there, welcome to Talk with Onyinye. I'm your host, Onyinye. So, this is where we dive into the brilliant minds of entrepreneurs and creators, uncovering their strategies, their secrets, and everything they ever do. So, on this channel, we'll bring you exclusive interviews. We believe that knowledge is power, and we want to empower you with actionable insights so that you can take your new venture to the next level.
Is just stay hungry and learn. Just learn as you go and build meaningful connections with the people along your journey.
Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a business owner, or a passionate creative, this channel is your go-to resource for inspiration, practical advice, and business strategies. So we cover a wide range of topics from branding and marketing strategies to innovative business models, creative processes, strategy, and everything in between. We'll explore their journeys. Our guests generously share their expertise, tips, and strategies, giving you a behind the scene look at what it takes to thrive in today's digital landscape. But this channel isn't just about our amazing guests, it's also about you, our incredible community. We also want to create an interactive space where we grow, learn, and support each other. Therefore, we also want to hear from you. So share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comment section, and let's spark engaging conversation that propel us. So if you're ready to join our supportive community, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and get ready to embark in this transformative journey together. I can't wait to see you in my next video.